Hello, my name is Fabienne Lucas.
Hello, I'm Wolfgang Kern.
Hi, everyone. My name is Goce Bogdanoski.
Hi, it's Kamila Czechowska, and we would like to invite you to this pre-Congress AI-generated video on furthering knowledge. With this video, we would like to start the new series of very interesting conversation based on our experiences from multi-domains, and we would like to encourage you to take active participation in this discussion by leaving your comments just below this video. So enjoy the show, and we hope that we will see you at CYTO 2024 at our workshop, Chatflow.
It is the last chapter of Chatflow's story, our exploration of AI in AI-assisted cytometry.
We've discussed how AI enhances instrument standardization, reagent, controls and assay design, data analysis and procedures normalization.
With 2.5 exabytes of data produced daily, AI's potential to expand our knowledge is clear, yet we must ensure data quality and ethical use.
The key to using AI responsibly and innovatively is knowledge, understanding input information, leveraging expert insights, and sharing knowledge widely.
This approach benefits not just researchers, medical professionals, but also patients, informing them about AI's role in their care.
To foster AI literacy, we envision an AI platform enhancing data sharing and integration across fields, improving research and clinical diagnostics.
This platform could standardize data formats, automate metadata tagging, and enable predictive modeling to uncover new medical insights.
Such integration could lead to more personalized patient care, quicker diagnosis, and early disease detection. This means that every patient could receive treatment that's specifically tailored to their unique needs, potentially improving outcomes significantly. An AI knowledge platform, akin to ChatGPT but for cytometry data, could assist in scientific writing, data preparation, and publication. This tool could streamline the cumbersome process of data handling, making it easier for researchers to focus on groundbreaking discoveries.
By making complex data interactive and accessible, we encourage interdisciplinary dialogue and education. This approach not only broadens the understanding across different fields, but also fosters collaboration that could lead to innovative solutions in healthcare.
AI's role in breaking down data barriers, streamlining communication, and accelerating discoveries is truly revolutionary. Together, humans and AI can achieve a healthier future through shared expertise and technology, improving health outcomes and medical equity.
This reality where AI propels discovery and innovation requires our collective effort.
AI empowers us to advance knowledge and improve lives, fulfilling our shared mission. So where AI can take cytometry and how cytometry can shape the future of AI. Any thoughts on that? See you at Chatflow workshop at CYTO 2024 in Edinburgh.